A crashed Jeep Wrangler for 500 bucks. Let's check it out. So just picked up this Jeep Wrangler for $500. Somebody hit it on the side over here, and you can see how everything is shifted out of the way, and it looks like the arm and the bracket broke off of the axle assembly. So what I'm gonna do is get it up in the air and weld this baby back together. I gotta say, besides the dog hair, it's pretty clean. Pretty clean Jeep inside. Little dog slobber on the radio. Nothing can't clean off over there. Looking pretty good. This is the wheel or the rim that was on it. Gotta get a new one. Back here, it's pretty clean. And not only does it have the hard top with the T-top in the front, but it comes with the soft top as well for those summertime days. Gonna have to change the light over here. Gotta change that. This side's not bad at all. Little dirty here and there, but you know what? I'll fix it up. So let's get to welding. We got the Jeep up in the air. This is what it looks like so far. Bracket broke on the bottom. Attaches up there. Looks like they bent the upper arm brackets. This side too. Looks like they bent it. Hitting up there. Now I'm not 100%, you guys can tell me, but it does look like the axle might slightly be bent as well. So I may be having to get a new axle assembly. $2,700 from the junkyard. So let's check it out, see what we can do. Just a little update on the Jeep. Straightened everything out, welded everything back into place. Got all new control arms. New shocks, did rear shocks as well. So it looks like it's coming together. Right, Mario?
Yes, sir.
So this is the Jeep all put together. Everything is done, rides like a dream. Welding is done, new parts and pieces. You can see down below over there where I welded it. Now I'm just waiting for the fenders to come so I can change the front and rear fenders. And I have a $500 Jeep that I did all the labor myself, even fixed the light. And I probably put another maybe 500 bucks into it on all the parts. Maybe a little more, but let's just say $1,200 Jeep, like brand new. So we took off the fenders all the way around. I bought these babies from Amazon. They look pretty nice. Can't complain. Got some nice lights on them. We cut the plastic on the inside and fitted it nice. Just gotta put something here to block this off. But I gotta say, everything looks pretty good. So far, so good. Oh yeah. Jeep is fixed, baby. Look, and the cool thing is, it's got the T-top. It's got the T-top. These pop off. And it's got the soft top in the back. So I got 2 new seats as well. It's gonna look good. Got everything on, new wheels, new rims. We got side paneling all together. I'm not gonna do too much over here because I really don't care about it. All right, I'm just gonna drive it myself. But everything is good. Now remember the inside, what it looked like with all that dog hair? I got 2 new seats from the junkyard. Washed them up and just have this covered so that way it doesn't get messed up. And if you see, got most of the dog hair out. Everything is nice and clean, like it should be. Even the back. Got all that dog hair out. Can't wait for the summer, take this top off, start driving it around. So this is the $500 Jeep project.